There's a pretty high chance that you want to do many things in your life. For example, you may want to start a business, get in shape, or have time for your family and friends while working your 9-to-5 job. This seems like a lot, but it doesn't really have to be. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to track and prioritize your goals for success. My name is Adebayo, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel, where I make videos on personal excellence and productivity to help you live the life you truly desire. So consider subscribing to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back again. Now let's get into the practical side of tracking and prioritizing your goals, starting with some of the tools that can help you organize and stay on track. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is using a goal tracking tool. Once you have set up your goals, you need a reliable way to track your progress. There are several options here, and it is important to choose one that works for your lifestyle. You could go digital with apps like Trello, Notion, or Todoist. These are great because they allow you to organize your tasks, set deadlines, and even help you break your practical goals into smaller steps. For example, in Trello, you can create a board for each of your main goals and then list out the tasks that needs to be done. As you complete them, you can move them from to do to done, which gives you an amazing visual sense of accomplishment. If you prepare something physical, try a planner or a bullet journal. Writing things down can actually give you that satisfaction of checking things as you go. I personally love using personal journal, so you need to do this every single day. Whichever tool you choose, make sure to review and update it regularly. A system is only as good as how often you use it. The second thing I'm talking about is prioritize daily tasks. Once your goals are set and tracked, the next key is prioritization. Here is a simple trick I use. Focus on your top 3 tasks every day. This helps you prevent you from getting overwhelmed. To decide what those tools are, I recommend using an amazing time management matrix. And it has 4 things. The first one is classify your goals into important and urgent. These are your top priorities. Things like deadlines at work or urgent family matters. Get these things done first. The second one is important but not urgent. These are tasks that help you move forward with long-term goals like building your side hustle, personal development, and you can work on this right away after the urgent one. The third one is not important but urgent. These are things that are time sensitive, but they are not necessarily adding values to your big goal. The last point is not important and not urgent. These are distractions like scrolling through social media, watching TV, playing PS4. Try to eliminate or minimize these ones, especially during work hours. When you focus on the right task, you feel more productive and you have more time for things that actually matter the most. If you're enjoying this video so far, kindly like this video, subscribe if you have not done so already. And the last part I would like to talk about is review your goals weekly. You've got your daily priorities sorted. Let's talk about how to review your weekly goals. This is an essential part of tracking your goals. At the end of every week, take 10 to 15 minutes to reflect on what you've done during the week and ask yourself some questions. What did I achieve this week? What didn't go as planned and why? Were there any distractions or any challenges that threw me off? What are my top goals for next week? This process helps you stay aligned with your long-term goals and keeps you accountable. It is also a great time to celebrate your wins, even if they are small. Progress is progress, and recognizing it keeps you motivated all through the week. A good tip here is to schedule your weekly review at a specific time. Say every Sunday evening, every Saturday evening, or every Saturday morning, so that it can become a routine. Putting structure helps you stay consistent. And the last point is stay flexible. Let's really talk about flexibility. No matter how well you plan, there are uncertain things in life, and that's why the only constant thing is change. So when something goes wrong, don't beat yourself up, adjust your plan and keep going. For instance, if you couldn't hit your fitness goal this week because you were slammed at work or you had a lot of things to do at work, don't worry, reschedule it next week and ensure that you optimize the time in a way that can actually help you accomplish your goal. Remember, the point of setting goals is to help you guide your progress, not to lock yourself down into a rigid structure. Being flexible with your approach while keeping your eye on the bigger picture will keep you from feeling overwhelmed and help you really stay consistent and on track. Remember to drop your goal in the comments, and if you have any question or you need any more tip, I'll be always happy to help. So feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Share with friends, share with family. I will see you in the next video. Keep pushing towards your goals, and goodbye from your personal excellence coach, Adebayo.